Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. So far, so good. Like I said yesterday, we reclaimed 82,000, broke above the yellow downtrend line, and are pushing toward 86,000. We saw turbulence in a short rejection near 84,000. Right now, price is at 83.2. There is no nearby support except for the 82,000 zone. That level was tested twice on April 9th and 11th, before the breakout confirmed the break above the yellow downtrend line from March the 24th. If we drop back to test that area again, it would feel off. Ideally, we bounce from around 83,000, which was the high of the breakout test on April 9th. If not, and we dip back to 82,000, this could mean the breakout failed and we are entering consolidation again. The 3-day liquidation heat map shows downside targets near 78,000, but they seem far. Meanwhile, the upside pocket from 81.8 to 85.4 thousand has already been cleared by around 50% and still looks attractive. There is a clear cluster of short liquidations between 84.3 and 85.8. The 1-week heat map supports that view, extending even to 87,000. In other news, the Bitcoin exchange reserves chart shows something wild. From the lows in 2022 at 16,000 to now at over 83,000, reserves on exchanges dropped from 3.4 million Bitcoin to just 2.4 million. This likely means users finally get it. Since the FTX collapse, many no longer leave coins on exchanges unless they have to, and they are not planning to sell anytime soon. I will keep you updated daily. If you want real-time entries, exits, and my personal trading thoughts, join the free Discord. Smash the like button if this helped you, subscribe, and hit that bell so you do not miss tomorrow's update. And see you in the next one.